In the world of heat pressing, the tools and supplies you use can prove to be just as important as any other item in your workshop. With the right equipment in hand, your heat press experience can become faster and more efficient than before. I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and in this video, I'll be covering what we consider to be our essential tools and supplies. From helping you align your transfers to fixing any transfer mistakes, these tools should hopefully prove themselves to be essential in your workspace. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to get more videos like this. If you're looking to find some basic knowledge on heat pressing, check out our Heat Press 101 video, which you can watch right now by clicking the card above. So let's go ahead and get started. Our essential tools and supplies are meant to improve the quality and efficiency of your heat press experience. Now, it's very important to have an even pressing surface when using heat transfer materials. So we'll start things off with the T-padded. Now, sometimes your garment will have irregularities like seams, collars, buttons, etc. These irregularities can affect the evenness in pressure and heat distribution on your transfer, which can cause HTV to peel off after even one washing. Now, the handy T-padded is inserted underneath the garment to raise the area that needs to be heat pressed above anything else surrounding it that may cause it to receive uneven pressure. The T-padded comes in a set of 5 different shapes and sizes, which make it super helpful and easily used for nearly all applications. Now, sometimes you may come across a situation where it may be difficult to use a T-padded, or you want something that's a little easier to slip in and out of a garment. This is where the SOF-FUSION pressing pillow really shines. These pillows are filled with a heat-resistant foam, and then they're wrapped with a durable, non-stick material. Pressing pillows are used just like pressing pads. The key difference is this: instead of raising the transfer area above the surrounding irregularities, a pressing pillow actually allows all the surrounding irregularities like your seams, collars, buttons, etc. It allows them to sink into the pillow, and this gives us an even pressing surface for our transfer. What if you already have these pressing tools and still find that your transfers aren't looking as professional as they should be? Our T-Square It and Logo Grid It tools allow for precise placement of your transfers before you press them onto your garments. The T-Square It comes in 2 pieces and works best with full-size transfers, while the Logo Grid It is perfect for placing chest logos. The markings on these alignment tools not only allow you to keep your transfers straight and properly centered, but they also allow you to maintain a uniform placement of transfers on multiple pieces of a large order. If you're sublimating and having trouble setting your transfers in place, you'll find that having the right adhesive for your substrates is invaluable. Heat tape is convenient for wrapping transfers onto solid substrates like mugs, photo tiles, and keychains. It works like regular tape, except it won't melt when exposed to the high temperatures required for sublimation. An adhesive spray like ALBACHEM Eco Mist works effectively with hard substrates, but it works especially well with soft substrates like t-shirts, mouse pads, and socks. Eco Mist can also be applied to most heat transfer paper. No matter what you're heat pressing, you should always cover your transfers with either parchment paper or a pro-grade non-stick sheet. Parchment paper is most often used for sublimation, while a pro-grade non-stick sheet is very effective for heat transfer vinyl, heat transfer paper, rhinestones, and similar applications. Sometimes accidents happen. Let's say you've forgotten your cover sheet and accidentally pressed your vinyl onto your heating element instead of your garment. Or maybe you forgot to mirror your transfer and accidentally press it onto your shirt. Thankfully, there are products available that can remedy such errors, such as Easy Off and ALBACHEM Vinyl Letter Remover. Easy Off is a non-flammable gel designed for cleaning heating elements and can remove small residue as well as any hastily pressed transfers off your heat press platen. ALBACHEM Vinyl Letter Remover is a liquid solvent for removing vinyl letters and adhesives off fabrics. It's designed to be effective and quick to dry, though we advise to use gloves when applying this chemical to your garments. All in all, we feel it's essential to have these pro tools and supplies on hand in your workspace. These tools will help you to keep your workflow efficient and can really save the day when you're in a pinch. We hope that you've learned a lot about our essentials from this video, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. If you have any questions about any of the products or tools in this video, please call us at 800-215-0894 or go to heatpressnation.com. Links to the tools and supplies are in the description below. I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.